today cooking with the Coach Jemana. Ready? We're gonna do salmon with a really yummy sauce. Now we're gonna cut the lemon, we're gonna cut the orange. Once we cut the garlic into small pieces, we're gonna add all the ingredients inside the mixer. So we're gonna add the yogurt, and we're gonna add the mustard. We're gonna add the juices, and we're gonna put the garlic, oregano, and salt, and the rosemary. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're gonna mix it for 30 seconds. Wow, I think it's ready to flip it to the other side. So we're gonna put the salmon for 7 to 9 minutes. We're gonna put it in the plate, and we add our favorite vegetables with the same oil. Then we're gonna serve it with our salmon, and then we add the parsley and the salt. So this is my salmon and veggies with my yummy mustard sauce, or you can call it Jumi sauce. So everybody, if you try this recipe, please tag us and share it with your friends. Ramadan Kareem!